Rick with the best of everything, and I'm looking at the DLAND USB to lightning cable. So gold tone, aluminum finish, and it has a heavy duty nylon fabric exterior braid housing, which reduces cable tangling. Check this out. Nice gold tone. Let's look at the lightning head here. A very well made cable. I'm going to guess that that exceeds MFI specifications. Of course, MFI, and make sure that you know that you're getting a good product and that they're going to treat you right, or else they could not use the iPad logo. And this is a very good cable. This one, I believe, will go to the glove box. Twice in the last couple of weeks, I've had a iDevice hop in the vehicle with me, and they did not have a cable, but they needed some power. So, this excellent little DLAND gold tone cable will match her nice gold tone iPhone. And everybody will be happy all the way around. The heavy-duty material used inside, this could easily transfer the 2.4 amps of power to charge a pad. Very simply will handle a phone device which transfers at a lower rate. And it just looks damn nice. Hey, that, I kind of wondered about ordering gold tone, but hey, this is nice. And that nylon housing on there, no snags. As the old commercial used to say, no runs, no drips, no errors. That'll work good. Of course, I have the suspicion that the first time that comes out of the glove box, it'll be the last time it sees the vehicle. Oh well. They're inexpensive and it makes a nice gift. From DLAND, the golden aluminum nylon heavy duty lightning to USB cable at 1 meter long. This comes with a 12-month warranty.